It can happen to anybody. It can happen to believers or non-believers. However, the place where demons start to manifest themselves is different. You see, in the unbeliever, they can take over the spirit of the person, but the believer, they can't, because the Holy Spirit dwells in our spirit. However, for both sides, it's within the sinful nature of the flesh. And I know a lot of Christians are going to say, well, that demons and darkness can't dwell where the Holy Spirit is, and the Holy Spirit dwells in the Christian, so therefore darkness and demons can't dwell there. But this is the part a lot of Christians miss, and they don't like to admit it. The Bible declares that the Holy Spirit wars against the fleshly, the sin nature. So the Holy Spirit doesn't dwell in the flesh. He doesn't dwell in the sin nature. And when I say flesh in this context, I'm speaking of the sin nature. So demons can still stitch themselves to the sin nature of a believer. Some people call it demonization, others call it oppression. But you can be under demonic influence as a believer if you're not careful. And you need to get deliverance and have them cast out. Now, at the end of the month, for those of you interested, my wife and I are teaching a 3-day course on dream interpretation and symbols. To be a part of it, you can click that link in my bio.